Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I wanted to share a project that I made for Thanksgiving to give to our secretaries at work. So these are Pringle cans. These actually have Pringles inside. So all I did was get some pattern paper that I glued all around, and then I cut a circle and I glued it on top of the wrapping part that covers the Pringles, and then I did a little tag. So I'm going to do one on camera so you can kind of see it. But this one I'm going to do, and I did a lot of them. They're all pretty much oranges, pinks, blues, and greens. Okay. I think they came out pretty cute. And this will be to give to the secretaries at work. And all it says is thank you, a stamped thank you. And then it has a little turkey. That's a little tag. Okay, so I'm going to do the sample. Okay, so what I'm going to do this time around, so these are the ones. So what I'm going to do this time around is I'm going to use one that's already been used. So these have been eaten already. And I'm going to show you a new idea with that one. So what I did was that I got a pattern paper, a brand new pattern paper, and it is a 12 by 12 paper that I cut. Here's the paper right there. And I just cut the bottom of it. Okay. And this measures about 9.5 in width to wrap around the whole can. And it measures approximately, I'm not really good with measuring, but it measures about, okay, so then all I did was get some glue. Okay. And then when I was doing the ones with the actual chip inside, I did the seam right where the little opening paper is. That's where I put it, where the pull thing is. Here, I guess it doesn't really matter. So then all I did was put glue on one end, and then I just wrapped it all around. And I'm only just doing one side. Then I'm wrapping all around, and then I kind of adjust so that it'll fit correctly. So let me try it. Okay, let's see. And it doesn't matter what side. I was just using white glue for this. No, you don't need a lot. So you don't need a lot of glue. And then I just glued down one edge. And then I start moving it around. You might see a little bit of the can itself, so just kind of move it around so it'll just adjust itself. Okay, and then I'm just really pulling it taut so that so don't put too much glue like I did. And then you're just really, you can kind of play with it to tuck into the metal part of it. Okay. And that's it. And then you get, this is gonna need a 3-inch circle. That's what I'm gonna use to cut. Well, no, I cut 3.5. Well, close to 3.5 inches. This one I'm gonna use a die cut. See, so this is about 3.5 inches. So let me go cut it. Okay, so I cut, I'm gonna say that this is this is about 3.25 inch circle. So I just cut 3.5 inches. And then what I did with this one though is I glued it on top of the Pringle. So for the one that I did with the Pringle one, I got the paper, the circle, and I glued it on top here. And then I stamped on this, on the ones that I'm giving away with the thank you. So the only thing with this one is that, well, no, I guess I could do it this way. And then I could say, I could put the message there. So in this case, since this doesn't have the paper, we're going to have to glue it on the lid itself. So we can either do it inside or I think it's better to do it. If you're going to try to do it on top of the lid, it's not going to fit. You would have to get a smaller circle. But if you do it inside the lid, then it should be fine. So then, I guess let me stamp a sentiment on this one. So let me find something to stamp on. Okay, so the one that I used for my sample was this one. It is one that is meant to be together, but in order for me to stamp thank you on it, I had to cut it apart. So that's what I did. So I did use the black ink. I'll do that. Okay. Just did thank you. There you go. And then, since I'm going to put it on the lid for this, so if I did the one with the Pringles, then I would just glue it here. And all I did with the, is I just put a little bit over around the border. I just put it on the, put it all around right here. And then I just got I got these little tags from Walmart. I guess they're like price tags. And then I just put it here. I hung it there, and then I just closed it there. And so that's how these turned out. It's a nice, I mean, it's a very inexpensive gift. But with this one right here, I'm going to do this instead. So I'll probably, let me see how I would do this. I guess I would, I think I'll put the glue all around the border again, but on the actual. I don't think you need that much glue though. And then I'm just going to glue it there. Just need it to hold in place. See if it holds it. Then you close it. There's the little, it is kind of cute. So this one you, I don't know, maybe you might need more tape, more glue, I mean. Yeah, it doesn't want to stick very well. Yep, it's not working. So I think maybe, so maybe we're gonna have to do it this way then. Let's try it. Let's try it this way. Yeah, maybe it does work. Maybe not. But now you have your lid. And there is the can with the new lid. And so I guess you would put candies in here. And that would be the gift. And if you wanted to put also a little tag like I did on the other one, on the original one, because you could just hang it here because it's open. And then you have your little tag also. But obviously it would be a Christmas one. So yeah, I think this is kind of cute. Looks good. So this is, I was just attempting this kind because I hadn't done this one. But these turned out really nice. These do have the Pringles inside. The only thing is I had to tuck in the tag there because of the wrapping on top of it. Being careful to just be holding it down so it wraps correctly around it. But they turned out very, very cute. This one you can kind of see the wrapping of the Pringle down here, but you can't tell because of the lid. But it came out, I think they came out really cute. And it's a nice and inexpensive way to give something to some of the staff at work. That's it. So again, this one, first attempt. Maybe I'll probably do a better job. I just need to figure out if this is going to show. I mean, I don't think it really matters. It's just you're using it as the packaging for it. But I like how it turned out. Same idea. So the only thing is that you're recycling this can. You're recycling the Pringles can. And this is Christmas pattern paper. So yeah, let me know what you think, or if you've ever done this before. So yeah, I think I like it. I just need to wait for all the cans to be emptied here at the house for the ones we have here. And then I can try to make some of these to put in maybe candy or something. Okay, thank you for watching.